Connecting a wireless keyboard to your Samsung Smart TV can make typing and navigation effortless. Here's how to do it. Start by ensuring your wireless keyboard is powered on and in pairing mode. If it uses a USB dongle, simply plug the dongle into one of the TV's USB ports. The TV should automatically detect and connect to the keyboard within seconds. For Bluetooth keyboards, grab your remote, press the Home button, and go to Settings. Select General, then Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth and your TV will start scanning for devices. Put your keyboard in pairing mode and select it from the list of available devices. Confirm the connection if prompted. Test the keyboard by typing in a search bar or text field. Note that not all Samsung Smart TVs support Bluetooth keyboards, so check your model's specifications if pairing fails. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.